Hello children, welcome to Math Park. In our park, today we are going to learn interesting topic, that is multiple choice question on comparing quantities. Children, do watch till end. If you watch this video, any question, any MCQ comes on comparing quantities, I'm sure you are going to do well. Okay, so let's start children with the first question. On what a discount is calculated. So discount is always calculated the price which is listed on that, and this listed price is called marked price, which we call as MP also. Okay, so discount is always calculated on the price which is marked on an item. Okay children, next, on which of the following percentage profit or loss calculated? Remember, profit or loss percentage is always calculated on the cost price of an item. Just remember. Okay, next question. On which figure VAT of a product is calculated? VAT is value added tax, and it is calculated on the marked price, okay, which is listed on that. And after calculating the VAT, then the price at which the customer sells it is called the selling price. So the VAT, value added tax, is always calculated on the marked price, which also called it as MP. Okay, then an article is at 10% more than cost price. So if the discount of 10% is allowed, then which of the following is right? So 10% more than cost price. So if the cost price, let us take CP as rupees 100, then the article, that is the marked price, is going to be 10% more, so which is going to be rupees 110, right? And then the 10% discount. So 10% discount is always given on the mark price. So 10% of rupees 110 will be 10 upon 100 into 110, which you get as rupees 11, right? So if rupees 11 is the discount, then the price at which the person is going to sell it, is the selling price, is going to be 10 minus 11, which is going to be rupees 99. Now, if rupees 99 is the selling price and our cost price is rupees 100, then there is going to be a loss. So loss of what? Loss of rupee 1. So if loss of rupee 1 is for 100 rupees, then that is going to be 1% of loss. Got it, children? Okay. So now, if an article is sold for rupees 100, there is a gain of rupees 20. When an article is sold for rupees 100, there is a gain of rupees 20. So if the gain is rupees 20, then what will be the selling price? Okay, and then you are asked what is the gain per profit percent. So for that, it is sold for rupees 100. Okay, and then so your selling price minus cost, the gain, which is equal to 100 minus 20, that is rupees 80, is going to be the cost price. This is going to be your cost price, right? And then you are asked to find the profit percent. So profit percentage is calculated on the cost price. So profit is 20 upon cost price was 80, and into 100. When I simplify this, I'm getting it as 4 2s and 4 5s, 2 1s and 2 5s, 5 into 5, which is 25%. Got it? So what did we do first? We calculated the cost price and then we found the profit percent. Okay, now if marked price of a box is rupees 10 and a discount of 10% is allowed, what should be the sale price? Okay, now the marked price is rupees, the marked price of the box is rupees 10, right? And the discount, so 10, the discount is going to be 10% of rupees 10. So which we get as 10 upon 100 into 10. So which we get as rupee 1. So if rupee 1 is the discount, the selling price would be 10 minus 1, which is rupees 9. Got it, children? Okay. Now, what should be the percentage gain on a product when it is sold for rupees 120 with a gain of rupees 20? What should be the percentage gain? So now again we find the cost price. So cost, the sold off for rupees 120 on the gain. So the cost price is going to be 120 minus gain, which is rupees 100. Okay. And then since the gain is of rupees 20 and it is on rupees 100, of course it has to be 20% gain. As simple as that. Since we have got cost price as 100, so of course it is 20 upon 100 into 100, it is going to be 20%. Got it? Next question. What time period is taken when the interest is calculated half yearly? Now, when it is half yearly, it is 6 into 2. Okay, so there will be 2 6 months. So remember that the twice as much as the number of years. So this is the correct option. When time period is taken, what time period is taken when the interest is calculated half yearly, it is always twice as much as number of years. So remember the formula, we use A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 200 raised to 2n. This number of years is multiplied by 2. Okay. Now, what should be the rate of interest per annum? If the interest is calculated quarterly, it should be reduced to 4. The rate of interest is reduced to 4. Again, for the quarterly, remember the formula A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 400 raised to 4n. So it is reduced to 4. Just remember, reduced to 4. Okay. Then convert 3:4 ratios to percentage. This we have several times seen in the different videos. To convert the ratio to percentage, we write it as a fraction and multiply by 100. 4 into 25 is 100 and 3 into 25, which is 75%. So just remember all the formula, children, and it is easy. Just in less than 10 minutes, you are able to solve 10 questions. That should be the target. One question in 1 minute. If you like the video, please share with your friends. I'm coming up with the MCQs on other topics too. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.